Can you do the recess can? Can you do the recess can? Can you do the terminate? Handyman! Yes, it is electrical time today, and today I've got to do some splicing downstairs, and by downstairs, I mean in the crawl space. So, I'm going to give you guys a brief description of what it looks like with like the wires and stuff up here. You know what? No. Let's go down. Let's go down. Totally forgot. I gotta run it up here first. Alright, well, I started it. I know where the hole is, so... no comments. Oh, geez, this is all over the place. Looks like a Dr. Seuss nightmare roller coaster. You guys can see these wires that are here. These were the wires for the old dryer, or the location of the old dryer. Got it. Huzzah. Okay. Let's go in the crawl space. I can't see. Can you guys see anything that I'm doing? I'll show you when I'm done. Okay, so we have the new wire here. Yep, there you go. This is the new wire that's coming from above, and I've stripped everything down. Gave myself some inches to work with. This is the old wire. I cut it to size to make sure it fits in the box correctly. And whenever I get done screwing everything in, I'll show you guys what that is. Alright, so if you guys can see that, I have screwed with proper caps all 4 wires. All I gotta do now is put electrical tape on each one in the part that's exposed, and then I get to close it up. So, okay, as you can see now, they are all taped, and that is beautiful, absolutely marvelous. All right, I'm gonna put them all in the box, close it up, and you guys get to see what that looks like. And now we have the splice box. I'm gonna write dryer on here so that I know, and then we have the new wire. All done. Hold up, hold the phone, whoa. Okay, well these are the other splice boxes that I made. I need to show you what's inside here. Give me like 2 seconds, because I did this incorrectly. Well, okay, not incorrectly, halfway incorrectly. Okay, so we have the black wire that's all pigtailed together. We have the white wire that's all pigtailed together. Then we have the grounding wire pigtailed together. And behind the grounding wire is the green grounding for the box itself. I actually didn't have this tied in at all, which is a big no-no. So I came back down here forgetting that I did it, and I tied it all back together. So now the grounding is attached to the box, and then the grounding for the wire, it goes up, so the line is grounded and ready to go. Oh yeah, let's close this bad boy up. Anywho, so yeah, that's all that is down here, so let's go to the upstairs. I think there's somebody doing work up there, if I'm not mistaken. Alright, and as we can see here, the OG guest is ripping down the installation with great... Oh, wait, is it all coming down? No, it's not all coming down. Anyways,
I got this.
we will show you her progress when it's done, but there's no point, you know, chasing an artist around expecting them to be finished right away. So, we shall be back. What the guest did was she was able to put in the wiring. She put a little electrical tape on the end, so just in case someone turns the breaker on, they don't electrocute themselves. Then we have the wire go up the stud, through the top plate, double top plate, and then into the floor joist. We bring it around, and then we turn it so it attaches to the floor, or the floor joist again. And then on the end, we make sure that we have enough extra wire, which we have tons, but she also put tape on this end as well. And you basically do all of the wiring like that. And you'll be able to see more in a sec. So I had no idea how split switches work, and I just opened this bad boy up, and it's a 14 gauge 3 wire. And if there's 3 wires, that means that I can hook up 1 wire to the actual switch itself, which it does. This right here is the switch wire. And I found out that you can hook up the switch wire to the same wires that you are chaining together. So on the bottom here is a black wire and on the top is a red wire. The red wire is going just to the power and it's hooked up to everything that needs to get hooked up to. The black one is actually hooked up to the power but also to the switch. So the switch ties in everything together. So if you have a 14 gauge 3 wire, basically 3 wires is the big thing, you can have a split switch, which basically means that a switch controlled outlet. If you have a 2 wire system, that means that you just don't have the switch there. This is so cool. But yeah, all this has gotta go. Free outlet. Wow. Okay, I just threw my outlet towards the couch and there's literally like a piece of wood 16 inches, a piece of wood 16 inches, a piece of wood. And I hit one of the pieces of wood with the outlet. I couldn't do that again if I tried. You know what? I'm gonna try. Nope, couldn't do it. My foot is okay, I'm just really hurt. Let's take a look, see what I just did. The concept with outlets are exactly the same. We've got an electrical end right there, and then we go through the box, down, we make sure we staple along to make sure that there's enough support. And then we come through the top plate, go through, and voila, same difference. Oh yeah. You guys are not gonna believe it. Oh, this is so exciting, so exciting. So the electrical inspector came in and I didn't pass my first time. But I only have a couple of little things to do around with my electrical stuff, so... Item number 1, your recessed can wiring has to terminate so that they can see that you terminated correctly, because obviously when the drywall goes up, they can't see all the wiring and stuff, so, you know, you'd think that'd be obvious. I was incorrect. 1. Well, wait, technically I did the one back there already, so 2. 3, from way downtown. 4. Okay, first one done. Just so you know, this is what it looks like to terminate up at the recessed can. Can you do the recessed can? Can you do the recessed can? Can you do the terminate? Step 2, nail guards. These things go either right next to where your wires are, or if your wires are going through a top plate, or through a base plate, and they're just a little too close, I think it's like an inch or an inch and a quarter, then you need these things. They're super easy to put in, and they're super cheap. They're like 50 cents a piece. Let's put in some, there's your nail plate. So now we can't nail anything through here where the wire might have problems. I'm not gonna show you guys every nail plate that I put in, so let's just go to the next one. Hello down there. Last thing I need to do is wire up the grounding and curlicue everything. Now, I didn't originally do this because some inspectors are just like, yeah, just leave it, we'll test it and stuff like that, and then other ones are like, well, you know, you probably should have had everything like ready to go. Because the inspectors are gods. And if you piss off your gods, they will smite you. Alright, so basically, I put the grounding up here, connected to the box, and I have stripped the wiring and put the nuts on it, so it's good to go. I have to do this now for every single one. Just gonna cut to, basically whenever I'm done this, now the inspector's gonna come back and be like, ding, 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 hopefully all this stuff will be done, I will pass. Let's cut to the screen where it was like, the electrical inspector is going to... Okay, I understand that I am not in uniform right now, I'm like halfway in uniform. Anyways, no, I just couldn't wait. I am super excited. I just flipped on all of my breakers because my inspection passed. And the guy came in, he was like, well, your framing looks good and your insulation's existing, so I'm gonna pass you on those too. So I passed 3 inspections. in one go. Boom, baby. But that's not the most exciting part. Not the most exciting part. The most exciting part is this. I have light. I have light in my room again. Yes. I can put light bulbs in places. I can put fans in all of my... I just realized that I can do this. And all of my wires are covered with nuts. So I can't touch them anyway and like get electrocuted or whatever. So I can actually have like light in this room again. It's so exciting! You can kind of see my hand. Can you guys, wait. Let me shed some light on the subject. If you like this video, hit that like button. If you want to keep coming back, hit that subscribe button. I don't know about you guys, but I'm getting pretty stoked about having lights in here again and just having all of the stuff ready. So basically just drywall, flooring, getting all the appliances and stuff in, and then that's it. And then it's all done. And it's coming along so wonderfully. Anyways, stay tuned. There will be more adventures from the Handyman. Oh.
Next time on the Adventures of Handyman.
F is for floor.